Welcome to this final session on sample questions and test-taking strategies for the CSTE certification exam. This is where everything comes together. Not just what you've learned, but how you approach the exam itself. Let's start with what the CSTE exam looks like. It includes both multiple-choice questions and written responses. You'll need to demonstrate your understanding of QA principles, testing practices, and how you'd apply them in real-world scenarios. Here's a breakdown. Duration 4 to 5 hours. Format objective multiple choice plus constructed response short essays. Passing score. Typically 70% overall, but performance must meet the minimum in both sections. Let's look at sample multiple choice questions. Q1. Which of the following is a characteristic of a good test case? A. It should be complex and cover all requirements. B. It should have a clear purpose, expected result, and input values. C. It should require minimal documentation. D. It should only test one function. B. A good test case is clear, traceable, and well documented. What is the primary purpose of regression testing? A. To confirm usability. B. To ensure previous functionality still works after changes. C. To test performance under load. D. To identify new features. Correct answer B. Regression testing ensures stability after updates or bug fixes. What is the goal of risk-based testing? A. To test features that are easy to automate. B. To cover all features equally. C. To prioritize testing based on potential impact and likelihood of failure. D. To perform testing only after development. C. Risk-based testing focuses resources where they matter most. For the constructed response section, you might get a scenario like, you are the QA lead for a web application development project. The client has requested rapid delivery and development is ahead of schedule. However, test cases have not been finalized. How would you manage the situation? Here, your answer should be structured. Acknowledge the risk, testing incomplete, release pressure. Propose a solution, e.g. prioritize critical tests, use risk-based approach, involve developers in test case reviews. Emphasize collaboration and communication. Now let's talk test-taking strategies. 1. Understand the weightage. Focus more time on high-weight domains like test design and human factors. 2. Practice time management. Don't spend too long on one question. Pace yourself evenly. 3. Use elimination. In multiple-choice questions, rule out obviously wrong answers to improve your odds. 4. Think like a QA pro. Choose answers that reflect best practices, not shortcuts or assumptions. 5. Structure your essays. Use a clear beginning, middle, and end. Support your ideas with practical reasoning. 6. Use keywords. Reference terms from the CSTE body of knowledge like traceability, risk analysis, or test planning. 7. Stay calm and focused. Take short breaks if allowed, and don't panic if you don't know an answer. Tips for preparation in the final days. Review your notes and key concepts. Take practice quizzes. Join a study group or forum. Simulate the test environment to build comfort with the format. To wrap up, preparation is important, but test strategy is what gets you across the finish line. You've built your skills throughout this course. Now it's time to apply them with focus and confidence. Good luck on your CSTE exam. You've got this.